got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10. Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 2 doors in my coupe. I look better under you, girl, I love you, you my truth.
Yo, YouTube, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel, man. And this box right here is probably like the best weight reduction that you can do on your Camaro. So stay tuned and find out what's in this box. Your boy finally got the anti-gravity battery, man, for the Camaro, man. This is crazy, man. I'm so excited to see this joint. So for you guys that don't know what this anti-gravity battery is, man, this battery is a lithium ion battery. And I'm not gonna lie, man, like, I was blessed with this one as a gift, but I must say these are one of the best batteries that you can buy for your car, man. It don't have to be for it do not have to be for a performance vehicle. It can be used for any vehicle, but this will work better than the AGM battery. It'll work better than any battery that you get for the factory because of a few things. Why? This is lighter. 2, it will last longer. And 3, these are some of the features that it comes with. So you can instantly lose weight because of lighter battery. 2, it comes with a remote key fob. So let's say you leave your car light on or whatever. The battery is smart enough because it has a built-in like battery management system in there where it will take all the power out the battery, and then once you come back and you say, hey, my car not started on, you just push the button on the battery itself or use the key fob and it will turn on and your car will automatically start back up as normal. Another thing is it got a lot of things that's saying here, like it's twice the life cycle, it has the battery protection, and it's pretty much plug and play. So all I gotta really do is just take off my old battery, which I'll weigh that for you guys. Like the stock OEM battery is probably about, I don't know, like 45 pounds, I must say. And this battery here, online, they said this battery for the 40 amps. I got this particular one when I put in my make, model, year. This particular one is 14 pounds, man. So that's a 35 weight savings, man. I don't know what this is. That may be 50, but I know it's like high up there. So this right here going to be a huge weight savings on top of the trunk, as you all know. The trunk is not installed yet because I need to go ahead and get it clear coated. And then once I get it clear coated, I need to go ahead and Dremel this piece out here for the third brake light. So that's why the trunk is not on here, but all of this is going to happen all at the same time. So as I open the box, you know, there's nothing to like really see here. It's just you know, they got the key fob like they said here to start it, and then, you know, all the information here, man, if you want to know more about the battery. But it's pretty much straightforward, man. This is like one of the biggest mods that people don't tell you about. Usually people go ahead and go straight to carbon fiber, taking out the rear seats and all this stuff, but this battery alone here is worth what the hood and what the trunk provide combined. So this right here is it, man. And just look at that, man. Easy. Look at that. I'm just taking it out easy. The lightest battery that you will ever own. All right, so if you guys ever in a bind and y'all want to know like how to replace your battery, like you just remove the, you know, the negative post, the positive post. All you gotta do is unlatch this and then lift it from behind here, and then it'll come loose like this. And then after that, you just got this bolt here, that bolt there, and I believe there's one more to latch up, and then that's pretty much it. And then put the other one back in. Okay, so just to give y'all an example how this battery is better than stock. Remember I told y'all this was 1500 Kraken amps? Look at the stock one. 700 cranking amps. It's on a 70 amp hour. And it's at a load test of 350. Now, however, you cannot compare this battery cold cranking amps and amp hours to this one because they're totally different batteries. And that is how I know like this one is pretty much better, and this is going to provide more cranking power. So this is going to have a little bit more longevity than your stock one. And as you can see already, as your boy was struggling, I'm losing breath a little bit, that this is better and it's lighter. So yeah, let's finish this install, man. And I guarantee you, like as of now, with that huge weight savings off the back here, with the battery, the trunk, the hood, and the other stuff, like I should see some nice gains here. Definitely need to get my BMR suspension put on because I haven't put that on yet. And if you sit back and think about the way of the car, the load was like kind of uneven because it was on this side and nothing really on this side. So now that we freed up this side a little bit, everything should go pretty well. And like that, boys, 30 pounds of weight savings, a weight reduction right there. That's what it looks like, man. So it's all tucked in there just fine. The old battery is right here. And now it's time to crank it up. This car gonna start up so much faster and everything, man. So, and it's gonna move a lot better too since it's a little bit more lighter. So let's go ahead and give y'all boys a start up.